Okay, we've got another question here about sales of mobile phones over an 8-year period, and there are the sales in millions. Plot a suitable graph, part A, and predict for year 9. So we need the bottom scale to include year 9. Have we got enough room? If this is year 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, yes, we have. Now the vertical scale. 0 will probably a good place to start. We've got to get up to 170. 20, 40, 60, 80, 100, 120, 140, 160. No, 20 per division won't be enough. So I think we probably should go for this being 50. This therefore is 100, and this will be 200. Now we should be able to fit year 9 in if year 9 is predicted to go better than 170. So we need to put these values on the graph, and I'm going to put them on by just points. So yes, indeed, we can put some sort of line through the sales. So where will it go? Well, the prediction is that it probably will continue something like that. And if we read that point back here, my prediction for year 9 would be something like, well, that's 175. We're talking maybe 185, but that's a huge guess. So that's part A. Part B, comment on the reliability of your graph to predict sales in year 14. Well, year 14 is 6 years after our last correct statistic. Many things could happen in those 6 years. It's fair enough to probably guess year 9, maybe even year 10 from your last point. But no way will these statistics predict 6 years in the future. So the answer is going to be not reliable for year 14. And that will be the answer.